बॉलीवुड हॉटीज एंड ब्यूटीज को क्यों है इतना फोबिया फ्रॉम कमिटमेंट? क्या उन्हें लगता है that getting hitched is a big punishment? Looks like they're just playing it safe. Ranbir Kapoor and Imran might be good buddies, but there's a huge line of divide when it comes to their fundas in life. Imran has settled happily with his childhood sweetheart, whereas Ranbir तो एक लड़की के साथ टिक ही नहीं पाते. लगता है वो कर रहे हैं experiment with different girls, so that वो अपनी मॉमी के लिए सबसे अच्छी बहू शॉर्टलिस्ट कर सकें. Only he knows कि ये testing period कब खत्म होगा. Our advice to you is that the road is bumpy. It may cause you headaches and heartbreaks. तो इस journey में संभल के चलना. As you never know, someday you may be taken for a ride too. As old as 45, this eligible bachelor still seems to steal so many hearts. Salman Khan की उम्र हो गई है to become a daddy, लेकिन for this to happen, सबसे बड़ा prerequisite है शादी. But Salu doesn't seem to want to live a normal life, जहाँ at his age हो जाते हैं सभी settled with a happy family. As he himself says, मैंने एक बार जो कमिटमेंट कर दी तो अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता. बट लगता है that he yet hasn't committed himself to a girl. इसका कारण हो सकता है his past records of broken relationships with Sangeeta Bijlani, Ash, Katrina, etc. to name a few. Hope his charm doesn't fade away with the years to come and he starts taking his future relationships more seriously, क्योंकि most eligible से non-desirable बनने में वक्त नहीं लगता. John Abraham and Bipasha have been in a rock-steady relationship for almost 10 years. But now it looks like their Titanic has hit the iceberg. Apparently, Bipasha is trying her best to save it from sinking by persuading him to ask her the big question. ये दोनों हैं quite outspoken about their live-in relationship. और अब इतने साल साथ रहने के बाद, when Bipasha wanted John to pop the question, John has developed cold feet. Like any other guy, इन्हें भी लगता है शादी से डर और नहीं बनना चाहते इतने जल्दी किसी के वर. Rumors about their breakup were fuming, but Bipasha doused the fire by saying that they're very much together. Looks like poor Bipasha will have to wait longer to tie the knot, as John turned out to be one among the commitment-phobic lot. Kareena Kapoor has been in the media for all the right reasons, लेकिन इस बार वो करवा रही हैं सबको wait for declaring her wedding date. Having crossed 30 years of age, अब ऐसा लग रहा है that Bebo is also scared of being committed to marry. Otherwise, she has no reason to take the back seat. Saif और Kareena हैं एक stable relationship में from the past 4 years. So why aren't they taking the step forward and getting engaged to be committed to marry? सैफ तो कहते हैं कि जब भी होगी बेबो तैयार वो कर लेंगे शादी. Obviously this is Kareena's decision क्योंकि सैफ has already jumped in the well once before, only to bang his head. But it proves that he does not get jitters at the thought of settling down. Well, Bebo, if you continue getting scared, how will we be able to see the beautiful babies you can create with Saifu? Biggie Chops too can't handle the mounting pressure of any relationship. पहले थी वो अक्षय कुमार के साथ जो थे already married. फिर came Harman Baweja, but the relationship did not last क्योंकि she thought she had a bigger star value than the newcomer. And now it's Shahid. But this girlie has never seriously thought of settling down with any of these guys. अब जब काम की commitment हो relationship की commitment से ज़्यादा, तो this is exactly what happens. You can't really blame Priyanka for this. केतकी आशिर, Page 3, Mumbai. सिमी एक स्टार्स के साथ जो कमिटमेंट फोबिया जुड़ा होता है, what's that all about?
I think they get the best part of the relationship, like living together, holidaying together, being together, loving together, everything. So, जहाँ पर marriage आ जाती है, it's probably a risk that they're taking. It's a change in their lifestyle, probably a little bit, and also mainly their image. तो उन्हें लगता है कि we have all the benefits of being together, so why take the risk of getting married? You tend to meet so many people, there are distractions and whatever. So मुझे लगता है कि the more stable the star is, the more successful he or she is, the more hesitant they are to get married, and the other partner is probably more eager to get married. तो अगर आप stars को देखते हो, जैसे कि Lara Datta, she was in a hurry to get married because her partner, her lover Mahesh Bhupati, is far more successful and popular than her. तो जहाँ पर stars खुद successful होते हैं, like somebody like a Kareena Kapoor, she's very successful, she's rich on her own, she has everything, so she does not have that insecurity of losing Saif to somebody else, or that she might have to sell for somebody who's a lesser mortal. तो जहाँ पर इनके पास खुद के पास बहुत सक्सेस, बहुत पैसा होता है, वहाँ पे इन्हें शादी करने की जल्दी नहीं होती है. जब इनका पार्टनर इनसे सुपीरियर होता है, that's when they are in a hurry to get married.
It's hot career, developing cold feet.
Yes, that's what it is.
All right, Simi, thank you so much for being on the show.
Always a pleasure being here.